All right, you guys, we are back and we're going to be doing just a little review. Remember last time we did the medium pink, which this is the medium pink, how it looks, and this is the advanced dark pink. This was the one I was saying that I was supposed to get, but I ended up getting the wrong one because I really liked how this color looked on the mannequin, and I saw this on Facebook, and this one cost me $17, and this one was $12. This is the 2.1 ounce. This is the 4 ounce one. So, and they have it sealed up really well. Okay. All right, get that off of there. Yeah, so I'm getting my little setup a little bit better with recording. And I'm trying out these new paper towels as well, y'all. I found them at Walmart, and I think it'll be a better alternative than the blue ones, but I'm trying them out, see how I like it. And I'm gonna try to do a 2 bead method on this nail, but y'all know when it comes down to long nails, I haven't got the 2 bead method down just yet. As you can see, nope, this is probably gonna be a 3, 2, 4. Should have brought it down a little bit further, but it's all good. I'm hungry. I've been working all morning. I said, let me get this video completed for you guys before I start using this pink. I wanted it to be fresh for you guys. And you may hear my kids because once again, every time I'm recording or working, they find their way out of the room. Once again. Sorry, y'all. My 6-year-old decided he wants to start yelling. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. So I am loving this color. It's reminding me of, what is it? Not speed bubble gum from Young Nails. It's sort of like it, but the speed bubble gum from Young Nails is like a more darker color, more pinkish color. But it's one of these that's comparable to it. Hold on, I gotta get this little side, y'all. Just a little, so always remember, you can always fill in areas as well, which my tip needs to be filled down here, but I'm not gonna focus on that right now. I really just want you guys to see this color compared to the medium. This is the dark pink, and I'm liking this better than the medium pink. This was the one that I was originally supposed to get, but I couldn't remember which one it was. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna fill in this bottom because I want to have that full effect of the color. Y'all, it is like bubble gum pink. Young Nails does have a speed bubble. Is it bubble gum? It's a bubble gum powder, and it's pretty, but it's darker than this. Clean this off. And we ain't gonna do too much on that. I just want y'all to see the difference in the color. They're both pretty now. They're both pretty colors. But look at that. I am in love with this. This one, pretty too. This is actually, same amount. Well, close to the same amount of acrylic on it. I went through just the same process. I wasn't trying to build no apex or anything. I just want to give the exact color of how it looks. So I tried to make sure I did like 2 over and patted in, regular, but not trying to actually build an apex for it. But look at that color, you guys. This is medium pink, dark pink. I am loving this one. Even though this is pretty as well as a base, but I think I'm going to begin to enjoy this. You know what? Mia Secrets. Goodness. Which one is it? Because this right here is Mia Secret Pink. Acrylic pink. This undertone. This nail right here. It's not blush. Yeah, when I remember, if I remember, I'll put it in the description box which one this reminds me of. You know what? Valentino Bad and Bougie, I believe. Bad and Bougie, I think. I'm going to do a comparison and I'll let y'all know in the description box. But this is it. And let's see how long, if it's already. No, that one's dry. So it doesn't have that quick speed dry. So probably more on the medium side of drying because it's almost there, but it's not there. But I just wanted to do that quick video so you guys can see the difference between the medium and the dark, because I know myself, I was like, okay, well, what's really the difference? And on sites, when you look at different things on sites, they put those little samples up there and it may not be like a true color, but I just want to give you guys another eye view of how it may look and differentiate in color. But that is it, you guys. I'll be back with more unboxings and reviews. Remember, once we get to 500 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. Don't know what we're giving away, but it's going to be a giveaway. So I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.